I love doing Taco Tuesdays with Carnitas. It's a winner. It's a showstopper. My husband loves it because it's high in protein and there's no sugar in it aside from orange juice. But other than that, it's a high protein dish. Come and join me in the kitchen and I'll show you how to make this. Start by mixing kosher salt, black pepper, dried oregano. I like to dry my own herbs, and it's such a simple thing to do. So if you cook a lot, I definitely recommend you do this. And then add cumin along with olive oil. Mix everything together and set this wet rub aside. With this recipe, I use 4 pounds of pork shoulder that you're gonna want to paper towel dry and then massage the wet rub all over the pork shoulder in literally every corner because this is where all the flavor begins. Pop your aromatics, which includes onions and jalapenos, and you want to remove the seed from the jalapenos unless you like your carnitas to be spicy. Then sear the pork on all sides until it's beautifully caramelized. Once that's done, remove the pork. Then saute your onions, jalapeno, and garlic right in the same pot. All those brown bits are going to build depth. Bring your pork back into the pot, add whole cloves, orange juice, orange zest, lime juice, bay leaves, and beer to the pot. Now with the beer, I like to use dark beer. So Guinness is what I had in hand. Then add the chicken broth. Bring this to a boil, then lower the heat to a gentle simmer. Cover and cook for 5 hours, turning every hour and basting with that gorgeous broth. Remove the pork from the pot and then place it on a parchment-lined baking pan or roasting pan. Drain the broth and set aside 1 cup of the broth. Now shred the pork, drizzle the broth, and then broil until the edges are crisp and golden. Then finish it with a splash of the broth, fresh lime, and cilantro. Serve it in tacos over rice or straight from the pan. It's literally pure comfort food, Mexican style. And if you want to make your own salsas, I have it on my CLC website. This is something else. You can do high protein with this and just have it on a bed of cabbage. I like the tortilla. Taste the hint of cinnamon and cumin and the cloves. Just an abundance of flavor. I hope you make it for Taco Tuesday or any day. We're actually having it as our Sunday feast.